the doorpost. No. Okay.
Boy. Now they say that some mere toddlers, children, are turning up for emergency medical care of some hospitals in our country with high levels of marijuana in their bloodstream.
To the point of near death, it's not a joke. Seriously.
Yep.
Like kids are going in comatose, and after them do all sorts of tests, lumbar puncture and all these things. When they finally check urine samples, they realize that marijuana is in the kids' bloodstreams. Like these are 3-year-olds and 2-year-olds and 4-year-olds who are ingesting grabber and weed that is just lying around the house, or treats that are made and left in the fridge.
Yeah, it says one child took a Ganja sweet or cookie from the fridge because it looked like a treat and ate it. That was the worst case. He came in completely comatose. Pulse rate falling. Had to be resuscitated. Whew.
That's a serious thing. It's a very serious thing.
A consultant pediatrician says the important message that I have is that having seen what happens elsewhere, let us see what kind of public health issues they face and let us mitigate against it. Roll it out safely. I'm not saying it is not good drug for medical purposes, but it must be done carefully.
Then there's the issue of the vendors who they say some of them are at the school gate selling candy that's laced with ganja. So NCDA has some work to do. Try and assess what's going on and to try and...
Right, I don't know if you remember one morning that we had somebody here that brought some of those sweets. Wait, the tough something name? Buster. Wait, name? Buster.
I'm not a part of this discussion.
I said, yeah. And this is serious. So
Buster with cannabis.
Yeah, one of our colleagues had one, and then had 12 fritters. And then she said she was having a discussion with a very good friend, and he may just start get. It's small or big? The head was
big.
Big? Small.
Small?
While she's having a discussion, and he may just start get smaller. So it's not everybody.
Who gave her that candy though?
Remember the people who were here?
Who gave her the candy?
Well, everybody kind of had. I never had any.
Who gave her the candy?
She took it.
Who gave her the candy?
Thank you. She looked like she thought it was sweet and she was hungry. But it's when she eat it, she know what hungry was. When she eat it.
Buster share with a friend.
Yeah. She head straight to the canteen and done every single flitters.
That's your work.
No, it wasn't.
That's your work.
In a very serious way, we have to be careful. And it's not everybody can handle everything. So I suspect that even the medical aspect of it is not everybody can deal with that part also. So we have to be very, very careful. And the youngsters, we certainly don't want...
They are not to be.
Yeah, that person could have died.
Yeah.
That young person could have died, so you certainly don't want that. What's the next one?
Your brethren said Jamaica is beautiful, and he's been invited to come here. U.S. President Donald Trump says he's looking forward to working with the Jamaican government on bilateral and regional issues. His comments came during a courtesy call that he paid, or that was paid on him by Jamaica's ambassador to the United States, Audrey Marks, at the Oval Office recently.
That's her right there, right?
Yeah, that's her right there.
Question.
Yes?
You ever, I know other countries have some strange dictators, leaders, bosses. But I've never heard so much mix-up with an American president like this man.
Nixon, back in the day.
But Nixon was later.
And Nixon was
later in his presidency.
With Watergate.
Yeah, but it's not from day one, it looked like.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Trump is...
I've never seen so much mix-up. So one time him bringing a man, then me hear the man gone. Then me hear two men a fight now, and then him want to run the two of them. His son-in-law is involved in stuff.
Run him son-in-law. Family always wins. Bannon is out for a rude awakening.
Well, I mean, I tell you something. Them men are incredible.
But he says Jamaica's beautiful, and he's been invited to come and visit.
Yeah,
if he comes here, would you like to meet him? Like you want to meet Harry and...
No.
Oh, you don't want to meet Trump? Why?
Really?
Why not?
You want to meet Obama? I don't want to meet Trump. I mean, if he want to meet me, I wouldn't turn my back. I'd shake him hand still, but I don't necessarily want to meet him. I have a feeling him going to want to meet me. You cold?
Very cold.
So who's going to have fun? Are you cold?
Because, I don't know, Londa, why are you fanning? So
All right, so
she's not. Oh,
Egypt's President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi has announced a 3-month state of emergency after attacks on 2 Coptic churches that left, they said, at least 44 dead. Wow. Boy.
There's video of the people worshiping in and then you just said it. Man,
Yep.
oh man, oh man, oh man.
In December 2016, 25 people died. Bomb exploded at the Coptic Cathedral in Cairo during a service. February 2016, 3 Christian teenagers sentenced to 5 years for insulting Islam. April 2013, 2 people were killed outside St. Mark's Cathedral in Cairo when people mourning the death of 4 Coptic Christians killed in religious violence clashed with local residents. It is something I will never understand as long as I live. Religious violence.
Yeah.
It's
a paradox.
Yeah, it just don't make no
religion is
sense.
supposed to be about peace.
Yeah, it just don't make any sense.
I think it is the single most divisive element on the face of the earth.
You're right.
Next to politics.
You are right.
It's supposed to bring people together and it leaves so many people dead. It just doesn't make sense.
And in the name of religion. Sometimes I wonder if it is really in the name of religion and our people just say.
Remember, they're killing in their minds, they're making the ultimate sacrifice for their
But that's
faith.
what I'm saying. Sometimes I wonder if that is in fact. So I just wicked people and wicked and want to kill somebody and then.
Believe kill and cure, you know. Martyrdom when you think that 7 virgins and
you just wicked and want to kill somebody and
then
then you just use. And then, boy, I don't understand. I remember when they had the Falklands War with Argentina and England, a couple of Argentina pilots just went to like the president and said, we just go and fly a plane in the Queen Elizabeth that had 10,000 troops. Well, they know them not coming back, you know. And then volunteer. 2 of them just say, we will go. We're just okay. 2 of us are dead, but we all kill 10,000 people.
That's for the cause, though. If you feel strongly about it, you're patriotic and you're nationalistic.
I will never understand religion.
Religion?
War. Never understand that.